I am Dr. D. Ramamurthy, the chairman of the Eye Foundation Group of Eye Hospitals, which has its branches in Coimbatore, Bangalore, Cochin, Tirupur, Erode, Mettupalayam, and 10 different locations in South India. I am basically a cataract and refractive surgeon. We all have a natural lens in the eye which focuses the rays of light onto the back portion of the eye or the retina, which forms a clear image. When this natural lens becomes opaque because of aging or various other factors, it impedes the passage of light into the back portion of the eye, and this is cataract. Basically, it's a physiological process of aging and not a disease per se. Symptoms of cataracts are essentially blurring of vision, difficulty in night vision, driving, glare, halos, etc. Cataract cannot be cured with medicines or drops. It has to be operated upon, where we remove the opaque lens and replace it with an artificial lens. This surgery today is conducted by a procedure called phacoemulsification, where you use ultrasonic energy to break the cataract into small pieces and remove it through an extremely small opening. Now we have a more sophisticated method of doing it using laser, which is called laser refractive cataract surgery, where we use the laser and image guidance to create a template and then subsequently remove the opaque lens material and replace it with a natural artificial intraocular lens. During cataract surgery, we need to replace it with an artificial lens so that the focusing power of the eye is retained. By and large, what is used is called a monofocal lens, which is often folded and introduced into the eye through a small incision. This monofocal lens has a single power which allows the patient to see reasonably well for a distance, but when it comes to near vision like reading or looking at computers, glasses are needed. But today we have the option of implanting multifocal intraocular lenses which have multiple foci or multiple powers incorporated in the lens. Once this lens is implanted in the eye, the person is able to perceive at all distances without the need for external glasses. Today we have a more advanced version of these multifocal lenses called the extended range of vision lenses, which also enhances the quality of vision that these patients have, apart from giving them the ability to see at distance near and intermediate without the need for glasses. To summarize, cataract is just a part of aging, and once it occurs, it's best treated surgically. Once a person perceives a certain impairment in vision, it's best to get it operated and not wait for it to mature.